Hi all, Rene here, and I just got in the mail my Stitch Quarterly from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a new cross stitch club that they have. It comes out quarterly, hence Stitch Quarterly. This is the second one. The last one came with the same kind of a bag. This one is American Spirit, so I'm guessing that what's inside is going to be patriotic themed. So we'll go ahead and take out what's inside and put the bag off to the side, and this is what we've got. Cute little ribbon, and I will save that ribbon because I will use that on some cards or some sort of a layout. Yes, this is definitely patriotic. To get out of the bag. So we've got a keeper for our needle, and it does come with a needle. I love those little tins. You get your DMC colors. It looks like we have 3760, 3865, 321, and 3750. And we got that the last time. We got enough of the DMC to do the last one, which I am still working on. I know I haven't come back to show you what I finished on Mania. I don't really feel like I got really all that much done on Mania, but I'll take a look, and if I think it's, sufficient, I will go ahead and do a video for you. But we've got Jolly July coming, so I've got all my Christmas stuff pretty much ready to go to start Jolly July. But this one is what we're talking about. Focus. American Spirit is the name of the pattern, and it is, I'll show it to you a little closer. It looks like it's a really nice little flag with some little stuff at the top and bottom. And let's see, okay, here it is. So the stitch count is 65 by 59. It finishes at 5 1/4 by 4 1/4 using the Vintage Country Mocha 25 count Lugana. And I think I'm probably one of the only people that hasn't actually stitched on Lugana before, so I'm kind of excited to try this. Let's go open it up and see what we got. It looks like it's a hand die, so that's nice. So here's our piece. It may not, it's not a hand die, because there's that side, but then the other side is just solid, so you can pick which side you want to use. So this is actually printed on here. It's nice. I like the way it feels. I know Chelsea and Priscilla are always going on about, how it feels, and it does. It feels really good. And it is an even weave. I'll show that to you. The camera can pick that up. It is an even weave, so it should be much easier than using a linen. And you use 2 strands of your floss, and it says to use the mottled side to get the same look as in this, but I'm sure you could use whichever side you like better. And let me look real quick on the inside. It looks like you just go over 1, so it's just 1/1, so that'll be good. I'm not really good at 2/2. I'm sorry, 2/1. I'm not really good at 2/2 because I lose count so easily. And then what did we get for our little special? Let's see, it's a cross stitch line keeper. They're magnetic line keepers. Oh, I see. So you fold it around your pattern. That's great, because I do have a magnetized board that I use, but I've got a pretty big, that Halloween project I was working on, I've got that on it marked with where I'm at, and I hate to take it off. So let's see how this works. Oh, it holds really well, because this is two pieces of cardstock. That works really well, and then you don't have to have that board. I like this idea a whole lot, and you get 4 of them. That's really awesome. I think this is probably, I love the pattern and everything, but I think this might be my favorite part of the whole thing. And you get 2 small and 2 big. And then let's see what this is. Did I get 2? I got 2 of the same thing. So let me make sure that on the back there's not a coupon. There's no is there a coupon? Okay, I don't want to give you a coupon code if I shouldn't. So we've got the cross stitch pattern from It's So Emma. We've got the 11 by 12 Country Mocha. We've got the Spirit needle case. It's a Bowen size 26 needle. The keeper, the DMC, and the zipper bag. So unfortunately, this doesn't tell you the value of each of these items. So I can't really give that to you. I should have done that ahead of time, but I'll go ahead and put all of this. So this is what you get in this month's Stitch Quarter, or this quarter's Stitch Quarterly from Fat Quarter Shop. I really like it. I'm looking forward to doing this, and I think this might be an easy stitch to do while you're watching TV or doing something else, because these are all very, what's the word I'm looking for? Ugh, very consistent. I was working on the last Stitch Quarterly, and I really have to really concentrate, especially on the sunflower, because there's so many different colors and you got to count, and that's what's kind of slowing me down. I think this should be a lot faster, although it is a lot of fill-in, so that may take some time, but I'm looking forward to doing this one. I don't have any patriotic stitchery in my house. I've done a few things, but I've given them away, so I think I'll keep this one and put it in my own house. So I hope you're all having a great day, and if you also got this, let me know what you think of it. I always love to hear what other people think of these kits, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.